Okay, so I'm eating nachos right now. They say it's impossible to chug seltzer water without burping, so we'll do that. Three, two, one. That I like the smell of drink cup. Try to push it through. Yeah. It's impossible.